sir. Go to the F0.
Balakbak.
My God, this officer. What did you do, sir? You're not allowed to handcuff anyone.
Jail. Sir, jail, sir. Jail. Give him violation, 1.11. Nice one.
Hey, what the heck? Uy, hey. What the heck? I have
Oh,
a...
yan si Milan, yung kupal. Yung
Hey,
kanina.
I have a body cam, bro. What did you
Tingnan
do?
mo yan, Milan. Please.
Ma'am, sorry for
Patingin,
that.
Milan.
Sorry for that, ma'am. I will send it. I will send my body cam to the higher officer. No. Don't handcuff anyone. Fuck. Uy.
1.11.
Hey, don't handcuff anyone. I have body cam. Uy.
Kupal talaga eh.
Hey.
Lapsi.
The heck? I am admin. Ma'am, sorry for that, ma'am. I will...
Uy, gago. Perma yan.
I'm gonna report my body cam, ma'am, to the FG or DFG. Sorry for that, ma'am. Sorry for that. Sir, you don't even have a macros to do that. What the heck? Hey, Sir David, look at Sir.
Handcuff mo nga yan, Milan, ang ingay eh.